Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for categorical charts. After collecting and scoring your data, the next task is summarizing your data. This video will cover chart building for only categorical variables, such as race or gender, and any other variables on your survey which are measured as nominal. You will need two categorical variables for this demonstration. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, demographic question A is categorical with two nominal values. Demographic question B is categorical with four nominal values. These will be the variables we will use for our demonstration. To generate charts for variables in Spider, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. If you have already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane, browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the Plot window with the requested charts. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module.